make slime. So let's get started. Oh wait, and all you're going to need is 2 water bottles, toothpaste, gel, and it can be any kind of gel, salt, and water. So let's go. Ow. Let's just go. Jamie, can't you see I'm doing this and you just want to ask me that?
No, not that one.
Then?
No, yeah.
So what you're going to do with this water bottle is you're going to take all the air from it and it's going to look like, can you see scissors? Oh, it's scissors, or it could be a knife, or anything too. So. Huh? Yeah. And you're going to cut the bottom of the water bottle. And then it's going to leave this. And you're going to do the same with the other one, but the other one has to be bigger. Water. Okay. And you're not going to be doing these, but if you want to do DIY with these, feel free.
I'm making a video.
What?
Making an invisible video too.
Yeah, she is. Okay, so let me go get the toothpaste and stuff, and she's gonna distract you.
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So you're gonna need toothpaste. It can be any kind, doesn't really matter. And gel. And the water you're not gonna need. Now I have the water in here, and you're gonna need the salt. So what you're going to do is with the big cup, you're going to put toothpaste in there. It can be it's basically your opinion because it depends of how much slime you want. So I'm just gonna put a good amount. Because I don't really want much because this is my toothpaste and I need it in the mornings. Okay, so this is how much I put in because I don't really want much. And you know, and you're going to get the gel and just put 1 spoon in there like this. I'm gonna put it in there. And let me go put all this back because
this one's already dry. This one already dry.
Okay. So now you're going to mix this together. And mix it really good so the gel and the toothpaste can combine. And yeah, so really well. What are you doing with me? So yeah, that's how you're wanting it to be like.
LA colors, treatment made it grow. It protects your nails and makes them grow faster. So, and it's really working for me because I'm a nail biter and it's working. No longer going, so this really helps me.
Alright, so you don't want to mix it too much because it's going to make something really different. But this is how it looks like so far. So you want this all to look pretty good and do not taste it because it's really bad for you. So now you're going to leave this to the side and you're going to move on to this. So you're going to put a little bit of water in there. Get them out and you're going to need the salt. I'll be back. That should be awesome.
I use Coca all over whenever I'm done cooking so they can be.
Okay, I'm back. Do not worry. So you're going to need salt and you're going to put it in the water. And what you're gonna do is you're going to get a pencil or something, it doesn't really matter, and just mix it. I'm gonna go get more. I got more. Okay, I'm sorry I have to leave you every single time. I should have just got all this stuff before I get into the video. But my mom's out there, so I don't want to. Really? That's what you do to me? Okay, whatever. And don't worry, do not pour this whole thing in here because it's gonna make a big disaster. You want to mix this really well. Make sure nothing is left behind because you want everything to be in there. So now you're going to put the water in there. Just a little bit. See the action. You're not going to do much. And you're going to mix it.
How about it doesn't look like slime?
I know. That's the point. No, I didn't make slime. I made goo. Okay, you're going to mix it. And then after that, you're going to leave it in the freezer for like about a night, and in the morning take it out right away if you're a person who wakes up really early. No, because you leave the door open, Yemi, so shut up. So now you're going to leave this in the refrigerator, or if you don't want to leave it in the refrigerator because you feel like some of your family members going to do it, you want to just leave it outside somewhere where water, nothing is going to get on it. And yeah, but I'm gonna leave it in the refrigerator because nobody in my family really gets it. So this is how it's gonna look like right now. So yeah, hope you liked the video. And then in the morning I'll show how it turns out to be. Bye!